Good morning. Yesterday we started doing the story The Beggar from the book, and we have done almost 2 pages. Only one last paragraph is left on page 63. See, Sargi, I hope you remember the point at which we left it. Sargi has brought Lashkov to his home. He has given him the work of chopping wood, and Olga has taken him. Now, Sargi hurried into the dining room. From its windows, one could see the woodshed and everything that went on in the yard. Standing at the window, Sargi saw the cook and the beggar come out into the yard by the back door and make their way across the dirty snow to the shed. Olga glared. Glared means to look continuously and with anger. Olga glared wrathfully at her companion, shoved him aside with her elbow, unlocked the shed and angrily banged the door. Means Olga is not happy to see Lashkov. She must have guessed that this fellow is not going to do any work. Next, he saw the Shudo teacher. Shudo teacher, this term has been used for Lashkov, as Lashkov introduced himself as a teacher. Seat himself on a log and become lost in thought with his red cheeks resting on his fists. Means he is not in any mood to cut the wood. The woman flunged down an axe at his feet, spat angrily, and judging from the expression of her lips began to scold him. So Olga scolds him. The beggar irresolutely means without taking any decision, pulled a billet of wood towards him, set it up between his feet and tapped it feebly with the axe. So he tried to chop the wood. Maybe he sincerely tried, or maybe he was just making a drama of trying, because the stalks that he was putting on the wood, they are not going to cut the wood at all. The billet wavered and fell down. The beggar again pulled it to him, blew on his freezing hands, and tapped it with his axe cautiously, as if afraid of hitting his overshoe or of cutting off his finger. The stick of wood again fell to the ground. Means he is just making a drama to cut the wood, but he is not cutting it at all. Sargi's anger had vanished, and he now began to feel a little sorry and ashamed of himself for having set a spoiled, drunken, perhaps sick man to work at menial labor in the cold. Menial labor, physical labor. Means Sargi is looking at his activities from his dining room, and he has started feeling bad that he has put a weak man to work. Perhaps he is really not able to do that work. An hour later, Olga came in and announced that the wood had all been chopped. So, Olga, look at this woman. She was visibly scolding Lashkov, but look at her golden heart. She has chopped the whole wood herself, and she has come to Sergei to tell him that Lashkov has chopped the wood. Good. Give him half a ruble, said Sergei. If he wants to, he can come back and cut wood on the first day of each month. We can always find work for him. On the first day of the month, the waif made his appearance. Waif here is used for Lashkov, and again earned half a ruble. So for half a ruble, any day he comes and he works. Although he could barely stand on his legs, from that day on he often appeared in the yard, and every time work was found for him. Now he would shovel snow, now put the woodshed in order, now beat the dust out of rugs and mattresses. Means different type of works are given to him. Every time he received from 20 to 40 kopecks. and once even a pair of old trousers were sent out to him. Means he has become their regular visitor. He comes anytime, he does a little work and gets half a ruble, and he has become so familiar that he is now getting old clothes also. When Sargi moved into another house, he hired him to help in the packing and hauling of furniture. This time the waif was sober, gloomy, and silent. He hardly touched the furniture and walked behind the wagons, hanging his head, not even making a pretense of appearing busy. He only shivered in the cold and became embarrassed when the carters jeered at him for his idleness, his feebleness, and his tattered fancy overcoat. After the moving was over, Sargi sent for him. Means now Sargi has shifted house, and Lashkov means gave so-called help to him. It is not real. Anyway, we are leaving.